Welcome back to Abogsi Global Radio. My name is R. Alpha Senyibuto Kamakawa. I'm your host. This is Success View. We have Limitless Talk. We have Serio Wataka. We have many shows here on Abogsi Global Radio, but this is Success View. I have 30 boxes. This was taken by one person, one family. This person specifically made $10,000 in less than a month. Now, being in the United States of America for a very long time, that's impossible, especially when you're African. My guest today, her name is Florence, and she's made $10,000. I'm still shocked. STC 30 boxes. I mean, we can count them all day. Many other supplements. Wow, all my gifts are falling. Many other supplements. I'm going to want to know what all of this is, because if I'm going to do this show, we got to know a lot. Florence.
Yes.
Where do you come from?
I come from Kenya.
You come from Kenya?
Mm-hmm.
Where in Kenya? I'm a Kenyan too.
I'm born in Mer, married in Kisii.
Married in Kisii?
Yes.
Wakirebia?
Buyamono.
Kabisa. Now this is my guest today. Made $10,000 in less than a month. How possible is that? How possible is $10,000 in less than a month? She's gonna be telling us her secret. 30 boxes, STC 30, 15, many other things on this table. Wow. This show today is going to be hot. It's going to be smoking. Kamakawa. I like Jeff Kwenange. He says it's going to be smoking. Now, what's your full name?
Florence Kinywa Ayeni.
Kinywa Ayeni. Mm-hmm. $10,000?
Yes.
Would you consider yourself rich?
Of course. And I thank God for that.
You thank God for that?
Yes.
You thank God for that? Mm-hmm. That's wonderful. How do you take it in? Because I would call this a medicine, but you call it something different.
Yes, that is a plant stem cell.
Plant stem cell?
Yes.
What's a plant stem cell?
Those who are in the medical field,
Mm-hmm.
they understand what is a stem cell. In most cases, a stem cell is taken from one part of your body to another part of the body
Mm-hmm.
to fill or to complete what is missing.
Mm.
But with this one, it comes from plant. It's purely plant, and STC that is made of 6 carefully selected plants,
Mm-hmm.
which is fruits.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So, how are you in the medical field? Wait, before I continue with my question, are you in the medical field?
No.
You speak like a doctor.
No, I am not.
You're not in the medical field.
No.
30 boxes, $10,000. I mean, you take this. How many days do you take this for?
For 2 boxes for an adult like this,
Mm-hmm.
it takes you one month.
Mm-hmm.
You take 1 sachet a day, very early in the morning, in your empty stomach.
In an empty stomach.
Yes.
But what gives you this passion, and how do you get customers for this? Because I know a lot of people depend on the hospital. Right now we're in coronavirus. Many people are dying from it.
Sure.
How do you sell this product?
I sell this product based on my testimonies.
Okay.
And how I gain the testimony, I use the product.
Mm-hmm.
So I am the product of the product.
You're the product of the product.
Yes.
Wow. Wow. I have guests coming up later. She calls them her family members. 3 girls. They're going to sit here. They're going to tell us their testimonies also. But before we get there, what's your testimony?
My testimony is that I was sick.
You were sick?
Yes.
Terribly sick, or?
Little sick that I was not admitted to the hospital,
Mm-hmm.
but I was sick.
Mm.
And I was suffering from cyst, uterus cyst.
Mm.
It's something that look like fibroid, but it's not fibroid. They made me anemic. I became weak. I became lazy. And I was given prescription after one another.
Mm-hmm.
And finally, the doctor said I needed a surgery. But the insurance that I had was not enough to cater of all the expenses for the surgery.
Mm-hmm.
So I decided to look for another job, a better job, so that I can have a good insurance. So on the process, when I was in the training for my job,
Mm-hmm.
a friend of mine introduced me to STC 30.
Mm-hmm.
And she called me. I knew the husband was really sick. He was really suffering. He was using crutches, and from crutches to wheelchair. And
Crutches
then,
to wheelchair.
yes. Then in few weeks, she called me. She said, praise God, my husband is walking.
Walking.
And I was like, how? She said, come and see.
Would you consider that a miracle?
It was a miracle because I know how serious it was.
This box
That
caused
box.
a miracle.
Yes. When I went, I couldn't believe my eyes. And she told me, my sister, you can try this for yourself. I took 2 boxes to try. Within 2 weeks, I was feeling a different person. Actually, I told my husband, the last time I felt like the way I'm feeling today, I think I was 18 years old. Not now at my 40 years old.
Wow. She even disclosed her age. 40 years old.
Yes.
This, they call these miracles. How many people are you? Because I know there are a lot of people. I did an ad for this. We did an ad together. You were
We are a
in
family of 6.
You're a family of 6.
Yes.
And all of you guys sell this product.
We take, 3 of us sell it.
3 of you guys sell it,
Yes.
and the rest of them just take it.
Yes.
Wow. So how do you put all of this together? I mean, I'm still shocked about $10,000. Wow. Wow. This is a blessing. I think I need to get into this business too. I mean, 30 boxes, $10,000. Her whole family works for it. They all take it. What do you want? Would you consider this hospital?
No.
You won't consider this a hospital?
No.
I mean, you said it was a miracle.
I consider it food, but very well selected food that have all that your body needs to do its job.
Can this keep me from the hospital?
Yes. 1 chachet a day will keep you away from the doctor.
Are you sure?
Very sure. Very
I
sure.
mean, is there anybody else I can call for this specific testimony?
Sure.
They can tell me that this can
I
keep me
have a
from the
lot
hospital.
of them. I have a lot of customers. I have more than 2,000 personal customers.
2,000 customers.
Yes.
Tell me about it.
Now I have more than that. I have like 200 people that have introduced to STC Daddy. And all of them, they have introduced them to their family members.
To their family members.
Yes.
So would you say if this specific thing was taken by a whole family, we would have less debts in the world?
Yes.
I mean, this is a bold spot.
Yes, they will.
This specific, we're in studio, by the way. We're in the Abagusi Global Radio Studios. This is a bold spot. If you're saying this can cure a lot of people and it can keep people from dying.
I did not say it can cure, but I say what STC Daddy and all those products do, they give your body what it needs.
They give your bone what it needs.
What your body needs. And then your body will fight for itself.
Okay.
So this is not a medicine.
Wow.
A stem cell, it's just gonna nourish your cells,
Okay.
gonna feed them, deprecate them, replace dead cells. And then we have other products that do different work. So all what they do is give your body what it needs to do its job.
Okay.
Yes.
So how many boxes do we have here? We have, I see SCC 15, SIC, I see STC 30. I mean, this is the one I'm shocked about. But can you explain the different boxes that I have here? You brought me gifts, so I have to tell my viewers what they're seeing here on TV. So what are these different boxes?
We have 4 boxes. The number 1 that I recommend for each and everybody is STC Daddy.
This one.
Yes. STC Daddy, anybody can take it. Everybody in the family. My youngest, she's 8 years old. She's using the product. She started when she was like 7, before she turned 8.
Okay.
And my little one, she's a special baby that have gone through a lot of challenges in her life. But with that gone for her life, she's a miracle baby.
Yes.
She's been having difficult and challenges, but God has seen her all through it.
Thank God.
The last problem that she had is speech, which her speech was not clear. But after taking this STC Daddy right now, she can talk better. Even speech therapy has really satisfied and saying that she's doing so good.
Okay.
And it has also improved concentration.
15 sachets in this box.
15 sachets, but for her, she takes a half sachet a day.
Okay.
Yes.
What is this one?
That one is called SIC.
SIC.
That is SUPERLIFE Immunocare. That is for somebody who is like you're a little sick, you want to improve your immunity. That one together with STC that you
Okay.
combine them.
I have 2 boxes here of SCC 15. What does this
STC
one do?
15, that stands for SUPERLIFE Coronary Care. The work of that one take care of your coronary.
This one takes care of colon.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So would you...
Another one down there.
Oh, there's one right... Wow. Okay. I told you guys I got gifts. This is SNC.
SNC stands for SUPERLIFE Neuro Care.
Neurocare.
Yes.
All right.
That's for the children who have special needs like Down syndrome, autistic, people with dementia, Alzheimer's. It's very, very good combined with STC. Any
Okay.
product there, you combine with STC. STC is the foundation.
STC is the foundation.
Yes.
Where are these people located? Because I know this is a company that's very, very huge right now. I mean, they would consider their business booming at this point.
The company, the product is produced in Switzerland, and the marketer is in Malaysia.
Marketers in Malaysia.
Yeah, so it's Malaysian marketing produced in Switzerland.
All right. 30 boxes. This was all taken by one family.
Yes, by my family.
Your family.
Yes.
6 people in the house. How long is this? How long did you guys take these for? 30 boxes.
We started taking STC on March 11th.
Wow, she even remembers the date.
Yes, I didn't remember very well.
March
11th.
March 11th. What's the date right now? Let's check. August 8th.
Yes,
Today's August 8th.
yes.
Since March 11th, today's August 8th, 30 boxes. Tell me about $10,000. That's all I'm here for.
Well, how I made 10,000, I'll say this. First of all, my mind was not in business. As I said earlier, I was looking for something to help me, to heal me. So when I took STC, after 2 weeks, I was a different person.
After 2 weeks.
Yes. I started sharing my experience with my colleagues at work.
Yes.
And I was working with this one man that was so tired. And I asked him if he would like to try the STC daddy. And he said, for sure, yes. I took the boxes, 2 of them, to the guy. After 2 weeks, he told me he wants 4 more boxes.
4 more boxes.
Yes,
Wow.
and I said, why do you need more 4 boxes? He said, man, I feel so good. I want my family to try.
Wow.
Then after that, after another 1 week, another one came to me. He said, I don't care what it is, but what you give so and so, that's what I want. And that's how I started business.
That's how you started business.
My mind was not in business.
You never expected $10,000.
I never expected it. Before I realized the first month, I was like, I made 2,600. That was like 2 weeks that I didn't even expect.
Wow.
The next month, I made $5,000.
Wow.
The next month, $10,000. The next month, $10,000. And now I'm aiming high. And
Right now she's aiming for $100,000. Let her.
Exactly.
She's not gonna tell you that. I'll tell you guys that. She's aiming for $100,000.
yes. And I
She's made
continue
it.
on to share my experience with people. Some have joined me in marketing. Right now, they are, I can say within DFW, we are many. The first one who is started is the lady that introduced me to the product after the husband
Okay.
got well, and he was like, no, I can't
Is she in the
keep
DFW area also?
Yes,
She needs to come on my show.
yes. Her name is Lillian Musomi.
All right.
Yes.
I'll write that down. My technician will write that down.
Yes.
Yes. Lillian Musomi, she needs to come on the show.
Yes.
Who else?
We have Fanny Sobaga.
I know Fanis.
You know Fanny?
Yes.
She's doing the same.
She does the same. Okay.
And I have another bunch of my Nigerian friends, co-workers that are still doing the same.
All right.
I have Alice Nyabuto. She joined me in the business.
Okay.
I have Lista Muchobedi. She
That's
joined
wonderful.
me in the business. And there are so many.
There's so many.
There are so many. I can't.
So would you guys say that you guys are walking miracles? Or walking testimonies, perhaps,
we
let's
are
say.
walking testimonies.
Not miracles.
Well, that's the call.
Oh, well, I put her on the spot. She
Yes.
calls herself a walking testimony, and many other people that are working for STC.
Yes.
Now, I mean, you've made over 2 million Kenyan shillings, 20,000 US dollars.
Yes.
She's aiming high. I told you guys $100,000. I mean, you got to share, but Let me tell you guys. Let's go on break for just a few minutes while I get my other guests. They're gonna tell us their testimony. They're gonna tell me about what STC. I mean, mama waliwaforce wakakula hii kitu hawajui hata kenye walipatiwa. Hebu. Let's go on a break. We're going to be right back. My technician is telling me that we have around 15 minutes left, and then we're going to come back on air in just a few minutes, and my other guests are going to come on the show and tell me about STC30. How has it helped them? Especially, I want to hear from one. Make sure you guys stay tuned. This is Success View. My name is R. Alfax Nyibuto. I'm here with Florence. $10,000. 10,000-aire. 1 millionaire. She's a millionaire. 30 boxes, STC 30. She's a businesswoman, entrepreneur, making thousands in this business that she started. Stay tuned, because this is Success View, where we bring you guys successes from all over the world, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We take the journey for you guys instead of you to walk. Success View. All right, welcome back. This is Success View. Kamakawa. I'm your host, Alfax Nyibuto. I was here with Florence. Now I'm here with other guests. I told you guys I was bringing you guys guests. And they told me that they've taken this. This is a whole family right here. They've made $10,000. I call them millionaires. How are you guys?
Good.
Y'all are good?
Yeah.
Yani ba machi tubiyasan. Let me tell you guys, whenever you find people dressed like this, man, these are millionaires. Huh? This is why we bring you guys Success View. All right, 30 boxes. Your mom gave me this. You guys taken this in a month.
Yes.
Well, actually, she said you guys started March 11th. Right now, it's August 8th. You guys have taken this for a while.
Mhm.
All right, I want to start with you. You like it?
Yes.
It tastes good?
Yes.
Really good?
Yes.
Tastes like sugar?
Yes.
How about you?
It's good.
It's good? Really, really good?
Yep.
How about you?
Yes.
You like this?
Yeah.
Really?
Good.
It's so good?
Yeah.
How do you take this?
Has to dirty.
What is this?
Has to dirty.
How about you? What is this?
CC 30.
Man, let me tell you guys, when these kids, whenever you get millionaires, they'll tell you. What is this?
STC 30.
What is this?
STC 15.
15.
What? Huh? Let me tell you guys, I brought you guys guests. Now these are walking testimonies also. They've taken this thing for over a month. Over a month. Their mom brought me gifts here, and by the way, I'm going to start taking this thing too, because they're saying it's really good. I'm talking about, they say it tastes like sugar. Tastes like sugar?
Yes.
Nikichukua itaniharibu ama
Apana. Apana.
au kwa nabaki Kiswahili. Since when did you guys ever find kids like them that speak Swahili here in the diaspora? You tell me. So, let's start with you. By the way, when I told her she was coming on the show, she started practicing. She was like, what am I supposed to say? I told her not to practice because if she practiced, my questions were going to be too hard for her. 15 sachets in this box. How many do you take?
I take a half in a day.
You take a half in a day.
Yes.
So do all of you guys take a half in a day?
Yes. We take one half. Wait, we take a half.
Mm-hmm.
She gets split it. There's one packet. She gets a half. I get a half. She gets a half, and there's one remaining.
There's one remaining.
One half remaining. And for the adults, they get a full one.
Okay. So how long do you think you're gonna be taking this for? Because I know your mom is in the business. I mean, she said 3 people work. 3 people work. They make the money in the house. You guys just sit back. Is that right?
Yeah.
You guys just sit back and eat the goodness, right?
Yeah, I could say that.
You could say that.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. So tell me about you. Why did you start taking this? Don't go to the story about your mom.
Okay.
Why did you start taking this?
Oh,
Wow.
Okay.
Let me tell you guys, these are twins, by the way. These are twins. They start talking together. They end their stories together. So, one of you guys start. Or whoever wants to start. Why did you start taking this specific thing?
I started taking STC 30 because STC 30 is
I want you to speak up so my mic can hear you.
I started taking STC 30 because STC 30 is a good product that helps me because I used to have high cholesterol and it helped me to not have high cholesterol anymore.
Would you say, no, wait, let me not ask that because you're probably not a doctor. You're not there yet, but you're gonna get there. How about you? Why'd you start taking this?
I started taking STC 30 because I heard a lot of compliments about it and how it's helping a lot of people.
It's helping a lot of people. Would you say your mom is a doctor?
Yeah.
You would say she's a doctor?
Yeah.
She doesn't call herself a doctor.
Well, I think she's a doctor and an amazing doctor.
An amazing doctor. Wow, Mom, you're complimented. You're complimented. STC 30. STC 15. S what?
SIC.
Ini SIC.
No.
Indio SIC.
Yes.
SIC. STC.
15.
STC.
30.
Alafu kuna ingine hapa SNC.
SIC.
Ama ngana na kariga. Ama kongo. Ama kongo. This, I'm talking about kids take this. Why don't you take it? So what do you guys like about this thing? Is it because it's sweet? What is it?
The reason I take STC 30 is because it helps me to do good. It helps me.
Does it help you do good in school?
Yes.
You get all A's?
Yes.
You do?
Yes.
Oh yeah, ameangalia style ingine. But anyway, all right. So we're gonna go back again on break. I know, we're doing too many breaks, but we're gonna go on break again, and then we're coming back. Mom, children, we're gonna talk about $10,000 again. Okay, we're not gonna do that. Oh my goodness, $10,000 just really got in my mind, guys. So, STC 30, she's gonna tell us how we're supposed to get all of these boxes, because I want to get one too. How are we supposed to get this? How are we supposed to go on the journey of making $10,000? We're going to bring Lilian Mosomi. If you're watching this, you better come on my show because I want to learn about your testimony too. Fanis Obaga, I want to know your testimony too. And make sure you bring your dad too.
Okay.
All right? I want to see your dad too because I want to see his story too. Because, I mean, how can the whole family like one specific thing? I mean, don't we all have different taste buds?
Yeah.
Then how do you guys all like the same specific thing, STC 30?
Well, from my opinion, STC 30 has fruits, which is also good.
It's not an opinion. Your mom says it's what your mom
what
says
it
that's
is.
what's in it.
It's fruit, yeah. I love fruits.
You love
Every
fruits.
type of fruits.
Do you like fruits, Emanuela?
I like blueberry, I like strawberry, I like cherry, I like it.
That's good. That's good. She likes blueberries, guys. Next time you see her, get her blueberries. Anyway, this is Success View. I bring you guys successes from all over the world, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. By the way, we take the travel for you. You don't have to go look for this. I bring it directly to your doorstep. By the way, on your cell phone. If you don't have our apps, Aboxy Global Radio, iOS and Android, get it. Website, aboxyglobalradio.com. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. Follow us, subscribe there. This is Success View. By the way, we're coming back with Mom and the children. They're going to tell us more about how to get this specific product, STC 30. Is it good? I mean, they say it's good. I'm going to try it also. Is it really, really good? I mean, come on. This is Success View. We're coming back in the next few minutes. All right, guys, we are back. STC 30. By the way, nimefungua mpya. Hii ni yangu. How do you take this?
Yes?
Yes, how do you take that?
And drink it.
And then you drink it?
Yeah.
How do you take it?
You open the package and you put it under your tongue.
One packet?
Yes.
Mhm.
If you're kids, you take a half.
A half.
Yes.
Okay. So is that just the dosage? That's how it's
Adult is the full package.
full package.
Yes.
Okay.
Children 4 years to 12 is a half.
Okay.
4 years and below, you can give them a quarter. And some of them, if you don't feel like giving your children, you can always consult your doctor before you give the young one. But
Okay.
it's safe, it's 100% natural, no side effects.
No side effects.
No side effects.
That's the big part of it.
100% fruits.
That's the big part of it. No
Yes.
side effects. This is STC 30. I want her to take it. Is it good?
You want to feel it? Open your tongue. Close your mouth. When you take it like that,
Mhm.
you take 15 minutes, you close your mouth, it will dissolve itself. Then you should take a whole hour without putting anything in your stomach.
A whole hour?
Yes.
Ah,
It shouldn't be the first thing in the morning when you wake up.
Nitasikia njaa.
Then
Nitasikia
after
njaa.
1 hour, you drink water. Then you can take your breakfast. You can take your medical prescription if you have them. And then all it requires you throughout the day is take plenty of water.
All right.
STC works with the water because the water helps us to get the toxin out.
Okay.
So all the requirement that you need is water. STC and water.
She took it. Y'all said it tastes good, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try it also. This is STC 30, SCC 15, SNC, SIC, Florence, $10,000, millionaire family. This is Success View. I bring it to you guys all the time. Walk for you. I take the road for you guys. Bring you guys successes from all over the world. This was our first one. Florence, millionaire, here in the diaspora. Very hard, but she made it. Thank you very much for watching Ababsi Global Radio. My name is R. Alfax Nyibuto. Stay tuned.